guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, Twitter, Daesiaxo. But today I'm doing another review and unboxing, but this time I'm going to be doing the Jordan 1 Court Purple.
What are you doing? You saying your prayers?
The shoes came out June 3rd. They retail for $170 and this is a women's release. With this being a women's release, the sizes kind of ran a little higher so that men can get the shoes that they wanted to. So here we go. Now we have our Jordan box, Nike, but what's different about it is that the base of the box is white and the Nike and the Nike swoosh are purple, which indicates the colors that are going to be on our shoe, white and this metallic purple. We have our paper. The paper has the Jumpman symbol on it. And then we have our shoe. Now, I like this shoe. I will say that at first, I wasn't too sure if I liked it because it was so white. So I just want to get into our first our colors. We have our two basic colors, which are white and purple. The whole shoe is white and purple. Our toe box is white. Around our toe box is white as well. Our upper is white and we have a purple Nike swoosh, and our heel is white too. Everything seems white. Our tongue is white too, but we have the Jordan Nike Air branding on the tongue in white and purple. So let me just go over what we have that is purple. Everything that's purple on the shoe is metallic purple. The sole of our shoe is purple. Our sock liner is purple. Our Nike swoosh is purple, and our Air Jordan Wings logo on the side is purple. Our ankle collar is purple. The insole is purple too. So these shoes come with white laces already on them, but they come with these purple laces. Pretty simple, honestly, with the colors. At first I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna do the purple, but I feel like this purple will really overpower the purple that's in here. I feel there's enough purple and enough white to contrast and balance one another. I really like that a lot. I know I'll be saying in my videos, I really like that, but honestly, I really like the shade of purple and I like that it's metallic. Now, these are my likes and dislikes of the shoe. What I really like that I said already is the metallic purple, and that it's metallic and not just purple. Like, it's shiny and feels really, really good. Yeah, I really want the shoe is to touch the purple touches on this shoe because it's not too much, but it's not too little. Really, honestly, don't have any dislikes. I will say at first, I saw them and I was like, oh, okay, they're cool. But when I saw them in person, I was like, definitely gotta get them. And I was happy that I was able to get them at retail because I already know that the resale, if they're retailing for $170, then I already know that the resale is gonna be out the roof. So I really like these shoes. I would say that you should get them. Rate these shoes at 8.5. The only reason why I say 8.5 is because there's so much white on the shoe and white gets dirty really, really fast. But yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. If you don't have the shoe, I would definitely say go get it. It's the shoe that you should have. It's a must-have in your closet. If you're planning on getting it, let me know. If you're like, no, I still don't like it, just let me know. All your thoughts and comments, just let me know in the comment box below. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, repost it, share, follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, Twitter, Daesiaxo, and just connect with me. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked the review, and I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you guys will get the shoe.